Good day everyone, and welcome. Today, we're excited to introduce our powerful dry and wet, Amphibious vacuum cleaner, a heavy-duty cleaning solution designed to handle both liquid spill. A heavy-duty cleaning solution designed to handle both liquid spills and dry dirt with ease. Stay with us as we show you how this high-performance machine can make cleaning faster, easier, and more efficient. Experience powerful, all-in-one cleaning with our dry and amphibious vacuum cleaner, engineered for both wet and dry applications. Built with a high-performance 3.6 kilowatts motor, this industrial-grade machine delivers exceptional suction strength to tackle dust, debris, liquid spills, and stubborn dirt with ease. With an impressive airflow rate of 540 cubic meters per hour, it ensures fast, efficient cleaning across large areas, making it ideal for factories, workshops, warehouses, hotels, offices, and heavy-duty home use. The robust 200 bar suction pressure, 3 kilowatts output, guarantees deep cleaning performance, even in the toughest environments. Designed for durability and convenience, this vacuum cleaner seamlessly switches between dry dust extraction and liquid suction, reducing the need for multiple machines and saving time and cost. Key benefits: heavy-duty 3.6 kilowatts power for maximum performance. Dual purpose, handles both wet and dry waste. High airflow for faster cleaning results. Strong suction for deep, thorough cleaning. Ideal for industrial and commercial use. Clean smarter, faster, and more efficiently, one machine for every mess. If you are seeing this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you get to be notified whenever new videos drop.